hello, my beautiful people. Is there one and all? If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My ogbonge people, today's topic na about I just then get post for Facebook. Oh. Now I say make I see wetin dey happen. Now I see one video where Easy Ogbede do just now for a Facebook. My darling people, he said they go block her page. Who can go block her page now? Now there she for the see money. Me I no understand. They need your progress everywhere. Why it be say if person they do something for this life? Una must make sure say una want block that person. Who they do this thing? Evil people everywhere. Who they do them? Everybody they do your own things. This lady come out. He saying that the queen of Ekia, the queen of Ekia. So man I live her now. Me I no understand. He say na he don't make us na him bring come. Na him want to play for Facebook. Na him want to play for YouTube. He say na he work in na igbiagi ashishi. Na he be. So me no know why the thing they do na somehow for body. No be una body shit they do. No be una make us na how make us. Why the thing they pay una for body? Why is they pay una for body? Evil people everywhere. Evil people everywhere. This woman come out, not come out with saga. He said that he make us na him bring. Now he make us see want to work. Why una can't go block her page now? Where to come make una block her page? Why? She dey cry. The thing pay her. He say no why una do this thing.
Your mother, I do my shit.
Okay.
I never cry. I am the strongest person you will ever see. Una dey pass my page. Aye. Oh, go back off. Back off. Back off. 3 months. Now I'll take pray for you. 3 months now I'll take pray for you. You are reporting my page for harassment and bullying. All the men of your birthday. Bullies you. Bullies you. Get ready. Get ready. Oh, but no, you are ready, Yoni. Ready. Yeah, I'm doing Facebook. You know, don't comment in your picture. You know, you ready. I wear a mic. I walk on my here. What's your Not joke. I hope you have who is going to do your dirty work. See, harassment and bully. My video on Saturday. Una mama send una. I hope she give una water to bath. To bath the course. If you don't get water to bath the course, I'm sorry for you. If you never get paper, you not go see. You not assess and me fair do you. You not go see. If you not get house, you not go see. If people they talk about sex.
My darling people, I don't know why our own they somehow for body. This the way she they do. So way that they say she they talk about take care of way. Many people they do one now. Many you can't even go way they do one too. Many people they do this thing. Maybe she's because she not been. Everybody gets your own thing which she just like to they do for life. As she been a grown up woman, me now no go fit say I want go the advice person wey be say na grown up woman wey know what she supposed to do. Now what is she like? More than not the report her again. Say now there she for they get her own money. Now there she for they see money. So why we can go the report her now? Why we can say one block her page? We concern us. Not what the person like person they do for this life. Now what the person like? Now what is she just like? Then she they do so. So me now if you can say I want to advise person will be saying a grown up woman. I just to make her place more and see where she they cry. See pay her. She was crying. I don't even know where she did do the live videos today. She was crying. She did beat her. Say they go block her page. Who go do this kind of thing now? Una for not block her. Una for not block her. She's crying. She did in pains. Eh? Igbovo everywhere, jealousy everywhere. Small thing I happen out there, they tell the woman say make it block my page too, make it block my YouTube, make it do this, all because of Igbovo, wetin una no fit do if una see who do am, the thing go dey pain una for body. This woman come out. He say na e own make see want to work. He na as she wey dey read book. Na she be. So wetin can't concern anybody for his side. Wetin concern us for his side. Nothing. Una see somebody come and say na wetin he like to dey do. So na me now will come tell and say no do am, no do this. He no concern anybody. Eh? Una for not block her page. Really, the thing really like the thing pay me because she dey cry. I know they like to see person they cry like this. The thing really pain her. It touch her. She dey in pace. She dey cry. You know. I know when the video come at that time, when I listen to what she talk now, when her video come at that time, it's when I continue to the share am. Hey, listen.
News just get to me that my video on OnlyFans, where I was twerking, is flying around. If you're not the OnlyFans, you never be correct as shower. Okay? So run to my OnlyFans. There are more buying where you have to Samekia. When you're riding on the cassava, you have to be the queen of the rider.
Okay.
So I know how to ride a cock. So please run to my OnlyFans for more videos where I was twerking on subscribe to my OnlyFans and follow me. Follow me, oh. You never do my OnlyFans, you dey lost. A shower will not the OnlyFans, not be correct as shower.
Una see the time where they block when they bring a video which tell the Jogo do come out that time she can't do this video say more una they flare am. He say the more una they do am, the more they get subscribers. He say na her work. Now what is she like to do? She not even shame. Suppose she want enter house. Now that time she supposed even enter house, but she no enter. So now me now will come to tell her say make she enter house. Now what is she just like? More na leave her. More not block her page again. The thing really pay me. It pay me. I just like the lady because of that laugh where she did laugh. The rest is na life. It no concern me. Na life. Now grown up woman with pikin. You understand? So not be me now will come to advise a grown up woman say no do this one. Now wait till she like now work. More na leave her. More not block her page again. No good. She don't fight as in she don't use her make us use everything to build the page finish. They can't just block her. You not good. You understand my darling? If they don't to you, you not go like her. What you know say they not go do to they not go do to you not do to person. So my darling people, what they do is based on a good thing. Now good thing, my darling people. Now good thing. What they do is based so. It not good. It not good.